Good morning, students. Welcome you all to today's science class. Children, your pre-midterm exam has been postponed till next information. I have uploaded one mock test paper on our school site, so you have to solve it and submit it. Children, make nice practice of MCQ and book exercise questions. Thoroughly go through the lessons. Nicely read all the 3 lessons. So you will be able to solve the MCQ type of question in the exam. Okay. Today we are going to start our new chapter, Rocks and Minerals. Name of the lesson is Rocks and Minerals. Have you ever seen different types of stones around you? Some stones are shiny, some stones might be smooth and colorful. Some stones are very hard in nature and some stones are rough. Do you know what are these stones made up of? These stones are made up of rocks and minerals. Okay, so today we will discuss about these rocks. You must have seen Earth's surface. It is covered with rocks, stones, marbles, sand. You can see in the picture, Earth's surface is made up of rock, stone, marble, sand, soil, etc. These rocks forming the surface of Earth is also known as earth crust. The rocks, the upper surface of the earth, which is made up of rocks and stone, which is called crust, earth crust. And these rocks break down to form stones or pebbles, and finally pebbles break down to form soil. In this way, soil formation takes place from big rocks. And this soil formation is very long process. Over the millions of years, the soil formation takes place. Soil is formed by breaking down of big stone into small stone and pebbles. And finally, these pebbles break down to form sand and soil. And in this way, soil formation takes place. But all the rocks made up of a material, and that material is called minerals. All the rocks are made up of some materials. That materials are called minerals. And these rocks can be made up of one minerals or many minerals. Minerals are non-living things which naturally occurring in the earth crust. Minerals are non-living natural substances which are found in rocks. Rocks are made up of minerals. Okay, so we will study about types of rocks. On the basis of formation of rocks, the rocks are classified into 3 types. First type is igneous rocks. Second type of rocks are sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. This classification is done on the basis of mode of formation of that particular rocks. So first of all, we will see in detail these igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed by cooling down of magma. You know, earth core is made up of molten rock called magma. Earth core is made up of molten rocks. There is in the middle of in the earth core there is such a great heat is there, and that is why rocks are found in molten form. That molten rocks comes out on the earth surface through the volcano. Okay, and on the earth surface that magma cool down, and that is when the magma come on the earth surface through the volcano, it is called lava. Inside the earth crust molten rocks are there, it is called magma. and when this magma comes out on the earth's surface, then it is called lava. Okay, so this lava um, cool down and um, change into kind of stones or rocks. These rocks are called igneous rocks. Lava cool down on the surface of earth and form igneous rocks. The rocks which are found on earth, out of these 90% of rocks are igneous rocks. About 95% of rocks on the earth's surface are igneous rocks. I hope you understood this. Igneous rocks are formed by cooling down of magma on the surface of earth, cooling down of lava. Okay, these igneous rocks are also of many different types. Igneous rocks first type of igneous rocks is basalt. Basalt is formed by quick cooling down of lava quickly. When the lava get cooled down quickly, then the rocks are formed. Such rocks are called basalt. Basalt are dark in colored and dense rocks and with fine grains. Edges of the basalt rock are very sharp and it is used to form statues. You can see in the picture the statues are there. These statues are made up from the basalt rock. Basalt rock is dark in color and it is fine grains are present on the rocks, and these rocks is used to make statues, and this is also used to make asphalt. That asphalt is used to pave roads, used to make roads. You can see here the road is made up of asphalts, and this asphalt is made from the igneous rock basalt. The statues also made from the basalt rock. Okay, another kind of igneous rocks are granite. You might seen these rocks. Nowadays granites is used to make buildings. This is very colorful kind of rocks. It is very hard and widely used igneous rocks. It is formed by slow cooling of lava beneath the earth's surface. See, basalt rock is formed by quick cooling of lava on the earth's surface, but granite is formed by slow cooling of lava beneath the earth's surface. It is found in many colors such as black, grey, white and pink. You can see in the picture such a colorful kind of rock is this granite. It contains mineral like quartz, feldspar and mica. Okay, it is extensively used to making buildings and statues. You can see one of the picture of statue which is made up from the granite. It is the picture of Mount Cashmore in Detroit, which is present in United States of America. These statues are made from the granite stone, and granite stone is igneous rocks. Igneous rocks means the rocks which is formed from the lava, which is come out from the earth core. Okay, so granite is used to make statues, and also granite is used to make buildings. You can see in the picture the house is made from granite stone. Granite stone is very colorful and it is very beautiful in looking, so that it is used to make houses, building and houses, and it is also used to make road, cover the road. You can see the granite are placed over the road. It is extensively used to make buildings, statues and road. Okay, I hope you understood about granite and basalt. Okay, now one of other type of igneous rocks is obsidian rock. This rocks is very shiny and it is just resembles like black glass. It is formed by quick cooling of lava. Just like a basalt rock, obsidian rocks also formed by quick cooling of lava above the ground. It resembles black glass in appearance. Its sharp edges make it fit for making cutting tools, but it is also used for making jewelry. You can see the jewelry made from obsidian rocks. It is shiny black kind of stone which is used to make jewelry and other ornaments. Obsidian rocks. Okay, another kind of igneous rocks is pumice stone or pumice rock. It is only the rock, it is very light in weight, it is only the rock that can float on the water. And because it is porous in nature, means so many holes, you can see so many holes are present on the rocks, and that is why it is very light in weight and it can float on the water. When we dip it in the water, it float on the water because it is very light in weight. It is formed from the frothy lava. Air get trapped inside the lava where it cools. When the lava getting cool, the air trapped in between the lava, and that makes the rocks porous, and it makes the rocks light. It is rough in nature, and that is why it is used to scrub the skin or scrub out the dead skin of our body. This is also light colored, and its powder of this pumice stone is also used by dentists to polish the teeth. Powder of this pumice rocks is used by dentists for polishing our teeth. Okay, these four rocks we have seen here, the types of igneous rocks. Which first igneous rocks is basalt. Basalt is dark in color and it is very dense and hard type of rock. It is used to make roads and it is used to make asphalt, and that asphalt is used to pave road, and it is also used to make statues. Okay, and another type of igneous rocks is granite. Igneous rocks means the rocks which is formed by the cooling down of magma, which is comes out on the earth core, on the earth surface, and cool down, and that form the rocks is called igneous rocks. And there are so many types of igneous rocks. Granite is one of the kind of igneous rocks, and it is very hard. Granite is very hard rock, and it is formed by slow cooling of lava beneath the earth surface, and it is very colorful, so that it is used to make buildings, statues and roads. Okay, we have studied another type of igneous rocks is obsidian rock. Obsidian rock is just looking like a black glass. Glass is also have shiny appearance just like a black glass. Obsidian rock is also have very shiny appearance. It is very hard stone, and because of its shine, it is used to make jewelry and other ornaments. Okay, another type of igneous rocks is pumice stone. Pumice stone is very light in color, and it is only one rock that float on the water. It is very light in nature, light in weight, and it is porous, and it formed from the frothy lava. When the frothy lava get cooled down, it form the rocks which is pumice stone, pumice rocks. it makes the rocks light because air get trapped inside when the lava cool down. These pumic stones is used to scrub out the dead skin of our body. And this is very light in nature, light in color even. And this powder of this pumic stone used by dentist for polishing our teeth. Okay. In another class, we will study about some sedimentary rocks and types of sedimentary rocks, and another type metamorphic rocks. So that's all for today, children. Keep studying. Have a good day.